Hi guys! It's great to have you back at DJ Boutique. Today, we will be making this satin ribbon flower. Let's start! For this tutorial, we'll need 6 pieces of ribbon measuring 3.8 cm wide and 10 cm long. Let's start by heat sealing the ends of each ribbon to keep them from fraying. Now, let's start making our petals. Grab your needle and thread, we will start sewing. The flower is done, we will add our centerpiece. Feel free to use whatever you love or have on hand. For this tutorial, I'm using this rhinestone. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!